If equipped, the Ram multifunction tailgate gives you the option to open the left and right sides independently or to fully lower it in the traditional way. The 60/40 split tailgate's 2 swing doors allow for closer access to the pickup box. To use the swing doors, you'll have to open the larger one first. Push the paddle down, then pull the release handle beneath the tailgate lowering handle. Once the larger swing door is opened, the smaller door can be opened by pulling the mechanical release handle located on the inboard side of the door. When closing the swing doors, the smaller door must be closed first, followed by the larger one. Keep in mind, the tailgate needs to be latched closed in order to open the swing doors, and the swing doors must be latched closed before the tailgate can be lowered. If your vehicle is equipped with electronic tailgate release, you can use either the key fob or the button on the overhead console to automatically unlatch and lower the tailgate to the open position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.